Hi everybody, this is a nice stretch. There's just slightly outside Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Yeah, it's a nice place. It's a drizzle last night. I think a bit of a rain. Was a little muddy, but still okay. I got some pretty good shoes. Harbour Trail. Not too bad, quite nice place. Absolutely breezy. Saw my friend and ex-colleague just now, Joe. Let's see if I can get a photograph of him on the way back. Bye! To hydrate during the run or walk or hike. So I'll drink some water. Time to continue. Bye. Cheers. Back again, round 2. Alright. Ready mate? Let's go. Balukan Trek, whatever that means. Very Farm Nature Park. How can I reach there already for some reason? Alright. This side goes to Zhenghua Nature Park. Okay. So, when Bukit Timah here becomes too boring for me after so many rounds, so many times over the months, what's a break in between heading towards Timah. Check it out. Let's see where this leads. Gotta get some novelty to the trail sometimes. If not, can get a bit dull, you know, like Bukit Timah is pretty cyclical, up and down, steps and stones. Let's see where this leads. Then I'll head back to Bukit Timah, finish up the loop. Oh, the pebbles here are really uneven, very good for building stability and strength in the ankles. Enjoying myself. It's a very cool morning. Absolutely chill. Even though I'm sweating like a cow or pig. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye. You know what? I just can't resist taking this photograph of this water puddle that's just below me. Does it look like I just urinated? I don't know, just something funny for me. Gonna cheer yourself up in the morning. And here we're going to continue. Bye! Up the slope again. Not easy. Make it to the top. Almost there. 1.5 hours. Everybody down slope again. Back to the start. See you later. Bye.